This video is going to be your ultimate guide to taking kids to Lunar New Year Festival at Disney California Adventure Park. I'll share all my best tips and all the information on where to find the special characters, the entertainment, and all the really cool things there is to see specifically for Lunar New Year. So the first thing you'll want to do is head over to the Paradise Gardens area. This is where the characters are. So we have Mickey and Minnie in a new outfit this year. We have Mulan that comes out over here. They're here from, I think it's like 10 to 5 or 10 to 6 every day. I'm going to show you the exact area right now.
So this is the area right over here where you'll find the special characters like Mickey, Minnie, Mulan, and Mushu, and Goofy. They come out in this little gazebo area.
Mickey, Minnie!
And if you were looking for the characters from Turning Red, they are located on the side of the Little Mermaid ride.
Next, do not miss Mulan's Lunar New Year Procession. It is the parade that happens for the Lunar New Year Festival. You'll see Mulan, you'll see Mushu, you'll see the really cool dragon. Kids love it. It's not very long, so you can just get a spot for the parade like maybe 20 minutes before it starts. Happens about 4 times a day. It's a great thing to check out for Lunar New Year.
And I'm going to give you a sneak peek of it right now.
Mulan's favorite tradition. She learned from her ancestors as the wise and powerful dragon dances across the sky to scare away bad luck and bring good fortune in the new year.
Another thing you're going to want to check out with your kids that's really cool is right over here in the Paradise Gardens area, you have an area for the wishing wall, which your child can like write a wish and put it on the wishing wall and hang it up, and it stays up there for the entirety of the festival. And they also have the calligraphy artists. They do Chinese calligraphy. You can let them know like what word you want written in the calligraphy. It's really pretty. There's usually not too long of a line for it, so if you want to like wait in line and have them do it for you, it's a really cool experience. So another thing that's really big for Lunar New Year Festival is the food booths. So they have a bunch of different food booths throughout the DCA area, and there is Asian inspired cuisine. I will say there, as far as kids go, there's a few options that I think kids would like. I'm going to actually get those items and share them with you because I'm kind of a pickier Disney adult. I have a very picky palate, and I tend to like what the kids like, so I'm going to show you those dishes right now.
So all 3 of these items are from Longevity Noodle Co. So we've got the garlic noodles here. These are really yummy. We've got the shrimp lo mein. A lot of flavor in these. You've got the 3 shrimp on top. And then this is a new one. It's like a tropical cooler. It is obviously non-alcoholic since I am recommending it for kids, but it looks really delicious. So these are 3 options that I think would be great for kids if you're coming here for Lunar New Year Festival with your family. Another thing I definitely recommend checking out is this Sweet Enchantments booth. It's across from the entrance of Cars Land. You can see her making these incredible sugar art pieces that you can purchase for yourself. This is super entertaining to watch both for kids and adults. Definitely stop by and check it out.
All right, and those are all of my tips and little bits of information so that you can celebrate Lunar New Year here at Disney California Adventure Park. If you enjoyed that, please subscribe. I do share Disney tips, especially for going with families and little kids. So thank you, and I'll see you in my next video.